김남준. His first name is Namjoon and his last name is Kim. Now let's write it down together. Next, Jin's Korean name is Kim Seok-jin. Kim Seok-jin. Kim Seok-jin. Kim Seok-jin. His first name is Seok-jin and his last name is Kim. For your information, you might have noticed that Jin and RM's last name is the same, Kim. Now, some people who are beginners in Korean often pronounce Kim as Kim because we write it in English alphabets with K, but Kim is a correct pronunciation for this letter. Now let's write down Mr. Worldwide Handsome's Korean name together. Next, Suga's Korean name is Min Yoon-gi. Min Yoon-gi. Min Yoon-gi. Min Yoon-gi. His first name is Yoon-gi and his last name is Min. Min is a very uncommon last name in Korea. Personally, as a native Korean, I have never seen another person whose last name is Min. Now let's write down Suga's Korean name together. Next, J-Hope's Korean name is Jung-ho-seok. 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 His first name is Ho-seok and his last name is Jung. Ho-seok. Ho-seok. Not suck, but seok. The S pronunciation is weaker in Korean. It's seok. Now let's write down J-Hope's Korean name together. Next, Jimin's Korean name is Park Jimin. Park Jimin. Park Jimin. Park Jimin. His first name is Jimin and his last name is Park. Park is often pronounced by beginners like this, park, but Park. Park. Park is a more correct way to pronounce this word. Now, let's write down Jimin's Korean name together. Next, V's Korean name is Kim Taehyung. Kim Taehyung. Kim Taehyung. Kim Taehyung. Kim Taehyung. His first name is Taehyung and his last name is Kim. Now, let's write down Tae's Korean name together. Last but not least, Jungkook's Korean name is Jungkook. His first name is Jungkook and his last name is Jeon. Some people pronounce Jungkook's name as Jungkook, but it's very weird, especially for Koreans. It's Jungkook. Jungkook. Jungkook? No, very bad. Jungkook. Jungkook. Now, let's write down JK's Korean name together. You can download today's exercise sheets on our Google Class website as usual, which is free, so please check out the link in the description box.